Hi everyone, it's Ms. Grant. I'm back. Let's get our heads together, mathematicians, and let's do some front-end addition. Today's going to be double digit with regrouping, so this means we're going to have to trade in some of our ones for tens. So let's get started. Our question today is 27 plus 35. Similar to our last question, but a little bit different. We're going to run into a little bit of a change that we have to make here. So there's my question, 27 plus 35 and 27 plus 35. Of course, I'm going to estimate first. I know that 27 is close to 30 and 35 is close to 40, but we could probably keep it at 35 if our other number's at 30. So 3 and 3 is 6. 3 tens and 3 tens is 6 tens, 60. And add 5 more would be 65. So our answer we know is going to be between 60 and 65. So let's keep that in mind as we go along. So here we go. I'm going to make my first number. Doesn't matter what number you make first when you're in addition, when you're joining two things together, but I might as well just make my top number first. So I'm going to have 2 rods and 7 ones, 2, 4, 6, 7. 27 and 35, I'm going to have 3 rods and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm using my mat again just to keep my base 10 straight. I know you don't need it all the time, mathematicians, but for this demonstration, it is a good thing. So then remember, in addition, we're combining, we're making the number bigger. So I'm going to add my tens first. Once again, I've added 30 and 20 to make 50. So I'm going to put that onto my board. 30 and 20 make 50. I'm going to write that right underneath on the first space, on the first line there. And now I'm going to add my ones, just like I did before. And here we go. Okay, well, it seems to me I have a lot of ones. So I better count and check to see if I have more than 10 ones. So I need to do a trade because tens go with tens and ones go with ones, as we know. So if I'm a quick mental mathematician, I know 7 and 5 is going to be over 10 because 5 and 5 is 10 and 2 more would be 12. So I should have 12 ones here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. I'm missing one. Good thing I counted. 5, 3, 7. There we go. So I know that tens go with tens and ones go with ones, but I have 12 here. So I'm going to write that on my board in the next space down. So the first line was my tens and the second line was my ones. I have 12 here. So I'm going to trade in 10 of my ones for a 10 rod. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 2 left over. I'm not going to take those. I'm just going to take the 10, take them to the rod store, get a rod, and add it to my tens. So now I can see that I've taken my 10 ones, I've added another 10 rod. Now I have not 50, but 60. I've added one more. 3 tens and 3 tens is 60. And 2 left over. So I'm going to write that on my board. I have 62. There we go. So as you can see, I added my tens first, 50. I added my ones second, and then I combined my tens and my ones to get my final sum of 62. You can see 5 and 1 tens. 50 and 10 is 60, or 5 and 1 and 6. And 0 ones plus 2 ones is 2 to make 62 altogether. So I hope you enjoyed that this screencast, and that'll be useful to you in your problem solving for double-digit addition with regrouping. Remember to estimate first. This is close to our estimate between 60 and 65, so well done. Think about how you can do this question mentally or on your 10 frames or on your 100 chart, and I'll see you in math class. Have fun.